Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first we should go into the settings application and then click here on the connections section. Now just here you can see the NFC and contactless payments. Just to enable the NFC, you should click here once on the switcher, or just click here on the NFC section and here to click once on the switcher to turn on the NFC, and just to turn it off you should click here once again on the switcher, and that's it. And also here we got the second way how we can do that. You just should open the notification panel, and here somewhere on the top bar you will see the NFC icon. And now just to enable the NFC you should click here once on this icon, and just to turn it off you should click here on the NFC icon again. But if you have now here the NFC icon, you should click here to the plus icon, and somewhere here you will find the NFC button, and just by this way I'll just show you how you can do that. If you, for example, have no NFC icon here on your top bar, right? So you will see here the plus icon, click here, and just by hold for a while and drag here the NFC button, click here to down, and then you will able just to turn on or turn off NFC by just simply go into the top bar and by click once on the switcher and once again to turn it off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.